Hey, come on in. Welcome back to my cooking and lifestyle channel. My name is Scarlett Rose. For those that have been joining me every week, thank you so much. I appreciate your support and you tuning in and watching me every week. And for those that are new, hey, so today we're going to be doing a declutter and organize, and we're going to be decluttering and organizing my kitchen pantry. Today I have joining me is my beautiful, intelligent daughter, Nia.
Hi you guys, I am Nia.
And today we are going to tackle this kitchen pantry that we've been putting off, you guys. Let's take a look before we go shopping to go and see what we need to get this declutter and organize this kitchen pantry. So let's take a look. Let's get ready to take a look at this cluttered kitchen pantry. So as you can see, we have a lot of appliances that need to be put away. My husband bought a shelf for us to put all our appliances on, and since our kitchen is not that big, it's not as big as our other house we had out west, we're gonna have to put this on a table, a shelf that my husband had purchased. And this is some of the things that we need to declutter. So as you can see, we have cereal boxes, we have canned goods, we just have a lot of things that has just been neglected, and we just been purchasing groceries and just throwing things wherever. And we're going to get this organized today. And this is also some things, Nia, show them some of the stuff that we just have, like paper plates and napkins and just a lot of things that is just thrown on the floor without being put away in its proper place. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take all of these things out of this cabinet, and we're going to group everything together to go and see what we need to purchase to organize this cabinet better than what it looks like. So we're going to go ahead and start taking all of these things out and organizing it. And then we're going to go shopping at the Dollar Tree. And we're going to see what kind of organized bins we can find. All right, we're going to go ahead and declutter this kitchen pantry. to use it. Huh?
Downstairs in the basement, you go back and get it.
Where in the basement?
In the back, in the
furnace room?
Yep. and we'll show them what it looks like clean.
These are all the things we pulled out of the pantry. This is what the pantry looks like. Clean. And these are the appliances we need to go put on the shelf in the basement. That was taken up. Right, this is the appliances that came out of my kitchen pantry. This is the shelf that my husband bought from Amazon for me to put all of our appliances on. And this is sitting in my basement because, again, I don't have room in my kitchen to store all of this. Hey, thanks for watching. Hey, this concludes our part 1 of declutter and organizing our kitchen pantry. Stay tuned for part 2. We're on our way to the Dollar Tree to pick out some organized bins so we could go ahead and organize this clean pantry that we just decluttered. Hey, thanks for watching.